Hello, today's video is about the difference between a knitted SSK and a knit one slip one pass slip stitch over. They actually achieve the same result, but one to me anyway is more awkward to execute than the other, and with the way I knit, one is slightly untidier looking than the other. Now, all of this depends on the way you knit and your tension, but you just might find that if you struggle with an SSK, that you'll find the alternative, which is the old school way, knit one, slip one, pass slip stitch over, is less fiddly and may look slightly neater for you. So I've just started this is knit one, slip one, pass slip stitch over. So I'll just get to the bit where I need to demonstrate that, which is almost there now, just a few stitches along. Now this is the way I always did it, but I did pick up on the this is the knit one, slip one, knit one, pass slip stitch over. So instead of an SSK, you simply slip one, knit one, pass slip stitch over. Now, if I hold that up, if you have a look along here, you have got the left leaning decrease, which is what this achieves, a left leaning decrease, going down here. You can see that slant there. Now, to get this, you can get the same effect by doing an SSK, which is a slip, slip, knit. And I'll now demonstrate that. Again, I just need to get it to the point. That's a slip one, isn't it? Again, just a few stitches to the point that I want to make it. So this again is a left leaning decrease, and here we go. So SSK, so you slip the first stitch as though you're going to knit it onto the right hand needle. You slip the second stitch as though you're going to knit it onto the right hand needle. And then you get the tip of your left hand needle and go through. Let me just do that again because I went off camera, didn't I? You get the tip of your left hand needle, so it's going the opposite way to your tip of your right hand needle, through the two stitches you've just slipped onto the right hand needle, and knit them in the normal way. Just knit a plain stitch there to make it easier to show you. Right, now you can see the slanting down here of the SSKs, which are making left leaning decrease. Now the reason I'm not so keen on this particular version of a left leaning decrease is because my tension is a bit more loose and it looks slightly more untidy to me. Whereas the knit one, slip one, pass slip stitch over, again the tension isn't great, but I do think it's neater and less fiddly to execute. Let's just let that auto focus. So down, it's the slant down here. I've already did a couple before I came onto the video. So that to me is slightly neater than the SSK. So if you find, as I said, if you find SSKs fiddly and maybe struggle to get the neatness, I know other people have said that they've struggled to get the neatness, then try knit one, slip one, pass slip stitch over. It's the old school way, and it worked for centuries. So thanks for watching, and if you like and subscribe, then you'll find you'll get notifications. Apparently there's a bell somewhere you're supposed to hit as well near the subscribe button, which is under the video in this corner, a down arrow. If you like and subscribe, you'll get notifications then, and if you see a little bell, hit that as well, because that guarantees you'll get emails when I have new videos coming out. So thanks for watching. I'll be back soon. Bye for now.